Welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to delete invite sent messages to someone you do not have as a friend request. When you want to delete that invite sent, I'm going to show you how to delete it. So let's get started. But before that, guys, subscribe. After that, thank you. Now we're going to open our Instagram. Now, sorry guys, now I want to show you this is what I'm talking about. This person is not my friend, so I just wanted to request for a friend request, and I may just message this person. You can send this message. Let me show my tab. Sorry guys. Now you can see that I just message this person now, and the invite. I just send an invite to the person as of requesting the person to be my friend, and then I want to delete this invite message. You can see. So how do you delete this invite message? Just what you're going to do is just click on. If you click on this, click on this right click, you can see just click on delete for you, and it's going to delete. Just delete and delete for you. Yes, you can see, and that is it. You have sent. Now I want to do this invite message. Then what we're going to do is that you've already sent this person our invite. Now what you're going to do is just go back, and once you go back, click on this, and what you're going to do is what? Delete. Click on delete, and this is it. You're not going to see any invite again here. And once the person accepted your friend request, you're just going to set the person and on your follower. It's so simple. So guys, if you found this video helpful, subscribe and like and share. Thank you guys, and if you have any other comments, you can drop it under the comments, and I'm going to see what we're going to do together on it. Thank you guys.